Hey guys, just want to welcome you back for another super quick little video. And today I finally got a chance to play around with Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures. She had put out a little mini card making kit called May Flowers, and I had an absolute riot turning it into a little mixed media project. And I do mean little because I had taken apart the little box that it came in, and I used the bottom of the box as the base for the little media project. And it measures about a little bit over 4 by 4, 4 inches by 4 inches. So very, very tiny. But it was still a whole lot of fun. And then the other thing I did, I thought would be an absolute riot to turn what is supposed to be calla lilies into little birds. So I just cut out a bunch because I didn't know exactly how many I was going to be making. And then you'll see towards the end, I decided on making 3 little birds with the space that I had on it, but super fun, super cute little kit. And I still have the card bases that came in it, so I'll probably pop in and do a quick little card making session with it as well. But if you are interested, I wouldn't wait because I have no idea if this is still available. So check out www.shinysilvertreasures.com if you're interested and see if she has any left. And then for the main inspiration, I definitely encourage you to check out not only Dawn's channel, but Lorna, Michelle, and Susan are the ones that have been doing a ton of projects with this little kit. So, per usual, all the links will be down in the description box below. And as always, you guys are always welcome to craft along. And in the meantime, though, you guys take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.